Good morning, day 1 for advanced. So today we are going to discuss about the oxides. See, reaction number 1, O2 minus, but the physical state written as solid. So iron in solid means these are the metal oxides. Understood? So physical state solid indicate what? It is O2 minus. There is a mistake on the board. So let me correct it. So this is O2 minus in solid state. Understood? O2 minus, like calcium oxide. So when they react with water, immediately they will form what? Anybody? It is 2OH minus, aqueous. Understood? And the equilibrium constant. See the value of equilibrium constant. Value of equilibrium constant is how much? 10 to the power 20 22 means immediately the reaction. No. Equilibrium constant has nothing to do with speed. Okay? Equilibrium constant has to do with only yield. So yield will be highest. Okay? Almost all the metal oxide will be converted to its respective metal hydroxide. So we call them basic oxide. Understood? We call them basic oxide. So there is a term basic anhydride. Okay, so what is the meaning of anhydride? Say, here we can fill out CaOH whole twice AQ. So if I remove water, what is the meaning of anhydride? Anhydride means remove the water. So remove the water, you will get the calcium oxide. Understood? Now, second example, MgO solid. Why MgO solid? Because it is insoluble. Okay, understood? So it is insoluble. So insoluble oxides, metal oxides, can be dissolved in 2H plus aqueous. Who is the source of H plus? See, here I have written what? Water. Means it is soluble in water. Understood? Now, here I have written 2H plus. So any acid. You can take any acid. So obviously, base can react with acid. So they are also basic. But see the change in reaction. So they will give the Mg2 plus and water. Done? Okay, changing the page. Now C, non-metal oxide, nitrogen. So non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide. They can react with water and they will form, okay, oxides of metal are basic. Oxides of non-metal are acidic. These are two extreme conditions. Okay, this extreme condition, so two limits are there. Then there will be so many stories in between. So I am covering all those stories today. Okay, so it is done. Acidic anhydride term is what? Acidic anhydride. Suppose they can ask you what is the anhydride of HNO3 and HNO2 minus water. We call it mixed anhydride because we have a mixture of acid. Okay, so next class I will ask this and we'll cover this topic. Anyway, so reaction D. Reaction D is antimony plus 5 oxide. It is what? Antimony plus 5 oxide. So now you can see 2OH minus. H2O. What is the source of OH ion? The source of OH ion is base. So this again base react with what? Acid. So they can react with antimony, you know na? New Zealand, Pakistan, Australia, सबके सब भिखारी because we love cricket. है ना? इंडिया के सामने सब भिखारी है. So नाइट्रोजन है ना, पता है ना बेटा अपने को, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, न्यूजीलैंड, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सब भिखारी. आप कहेंगे सर बिस्मत पे क्यों नहीं गए? बेटा बिस्मत की कहानी अलग है. तो मैं ये रुक गया. नाइट्रोजन से चालू हुआ और कहाँ रुक गया बेटा? एंटीमनी पर. Got it? Now this is very simple. Okay, here you can balance it. There is a one thing that I will write on the next slide. You can balance. Okay, so H2O I have written. Count the atom. Then you can, this is fill in the blanks. Got it बेटा? आगे चलें? Okay. Next D for donkey हो गया बच्चा. चल रहे बोर्ड. Now हैशटैग रसायन बाबा. Kovind sir, my great guru, he has given me the name. बोले रसायन बाबा, तो हैशटैग रसायन बाबा. मेटलर्जी, सोडियम का ऑक्साइड, सिलिकॉन का ऑक्साइड. सोडियम का ऑक्साइड बेसिक, the oxide of sodium is basic, the oxide of silicon is acidic. Now they are fused, so you will get a very famous thing that is called what? A fusion reaction, Lewis acid base reaction. Okay, so you will get the sodium silicate, Na2SiO3, sodium silicate. Got it? Now E for elephant, that is zinc oxide. We call them amphoteric. Amphoteric means they can react with acid as well as base. Okay, so H plus aqueous, what? Okay, now balance it. Zinc 2 plus, what you will get? Anybody? H is there, O is there, so only H2O. Mass balance, charge balance. Okay, amphoteric can react with base also, base plus water, so coordination number. Zinc hydroxide is insoluble in water. What happens here? Zinc hydroxide, famous KSP में करा होगा बच्चा, है ना? Zinc hydroxide can dissolve in aqueous NaOH, so OH ion we can put. It will become what? ZnOH whole 4 minus. Got it? Now, again, hashtag Rashan Baba. Na2O, laughing gas. CO, carbon monoxide. MnO2. These are converted into water, relatively inert oxide. They are relatively inert oxide. So, carbon monoxide we know already, it is neutral. Sodium, nitrogen first oxide, nitrogen second oxide. So laughing gas as well as nitric oxide, they are also neutral. So we will go on the next page. Time check. Okay, so important. 4H plus 2Cl MnO2. These inert oxides can be dissolved in drastic situations, like very strong acid can dissolve them. Okay. Here you can observe that, sir, 4H plus, then Y2Cl minus, you are saying MC, MB, CB, mass balance, charge balance, MB, CB. Okay, so you can put 2 chloride both side, then you will get the complete balance equation. Now परम ज्ञान, hashtag परम ज्ञान जो किसके पास है? यहाँ पर परम ज्ञान, यही बेटा इसको ऑब्जर्व करना है. एडवांस पे अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो तो इसको ऑब्जर्व करो. यहां तक जेई मेन की कहानी थी. Cr2O3 एम्फोटेरिक मोस्ट स्टेबल, क्रोमियम का सबसे स्टेबल ऑक्साइड +3 वाला है जो कि नेचर में मिलता है. हमने उसको काम में लेके क्या बनाया था? पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट, यस, डी ब्लॉक. ओके, नाउ क्रोमियम की एक्सट्रीम +6 ऑक्साइड्स. When we increase the oxidation number, what? When we increase the oxidation number, the nature changes. Because oxidation number increases, means electronegativity increases. Got it? So chromium +6 oxide. Name of this compound is chromic acid. Chromic acid. Understood? Chromic acid. Now chromium +2. Chromium +2 is very little known. But chromium +2 oxide exists. When dissolved in water, it is unstable. Okay, CrOH whole thrice is stable, but CrOH whole twice is not stable. But again, you can see oxidation number increases, nature increases. This is basically what? Can you see? This is basic. The basic. Oh, +2 में basic, +7 में जाते ही acidic. Thank you very much. आज का ज्ञान खत्म. बाय. कल फिर मिलेंगे.